Hello. Can you say A, B, C with me? A for apple.
B is for ball.
C for cat.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
F is for fish. G for grapes. H is for hen.
I for ice cream.
J for jug. K for keat.